7:15 p.m. 1-800-203-9820. This call is from Entergy at 1-800-203-9820. We're strongly requesting our customers to limit electricity usage immediately, since the present extreme cold weather is increasing demand for electricity. Conservation can be done by turning off or not using non-essential lights and electric appliances, especially electric water heaters, clothes dryers, and dishwashers, and to turn heating thermostats to lower settings. If reductions are not sufficient, it may be necessary to begin temporary interruptions of electric service in your area. We apologize sincerely for this inconvenience and are working to restore our system to normal grid operations as soon as possible. For additional information, visit www.entergynewsroom.com. End of messages.